Welcome to JK Gears and Machinery. JK Gears is ISO 9001-2008 registered certified company. Based in Mumbai, India, since 1994. If you are looking for any used imported machine, get in touch with us.
In this video you will see gear shaper cutter grinder, which is available for sale. The machine details are: make, Mico Collet, model, A015, type of machine, gear shaper cutter grinder.
Used gear shaper cutter sharpener. Mico Collette A015 is specially designed for rapid, accurate and automatic sharpening of spur and helical gears. It is simple and quick operation to change the machine over from spur to helical gear cutter sharpening. Sharpening helical shaper cutters and spur shaper cutters machine with fully automatic cycle and automatic wheel dressing. Grinding heads, internal antenna for cutter adapter 1 1/4 dia and 1 3/4 dia. Location internal antenna for indexing mechanism, hydraulically. Driven-faultless indexing, number of table strokes, per minute 20-80. Length of table strokes, infinitely variable from 5-115 mm. Other specification, wheel spindle speeds 2,500 and 3,200 RPM. Grinding wheel diameter for standard application 200 mm. Maximum permissible 250 mm. Bore diameter 76.2 mm equals 3. Advanced grinding position by means of push button. Automatic in feed range 1.1 mm. Diminishing feed 0-0035 mm. Automatic grinding wheel, dressing in feed compensation. Provisions for manual dressing with the aid of push button. To dressing speeds for rough and finish grinding. Automatic switching over of the dressing speed. Dressing performed with table in loading positions. Central lubrication automatic. Lighting 40W, 24 volt. Motor ratings: wheel motor 1 kW 3000 RPM. Hydraulic motor 0,75 kW 1500 RPM. Coolant pump 0,1 kW 3000 RPM. Motor for spur cutters 0,25 kW 1000 R.P.M. Thank you for watching our video. You can visit our website www.jkgears.com.